Welcome back to the garage, everybody. Today we are starting the assembly of the Jumbo 3D printer. So let's see, everything is referenced off the front panel. So set that there, get this front panel pulled out.
Now, what I didn't realize at the time is that I'm making a grave mistake in my assembly. So you guys get to watch me screw that up real quick after I do all this nice, careful layout.
I think what we'll do, actually mark this real quick. So, pre-drill the whole thing. Get this other side too. Son of a bitch. But I caught that now. Alright, let's try this again without the oops this time. I didn't realize that the inner panel was supposed to go on the inside. You know, I designed the things, little things you forget when you're in the moment. Anyway, so we're going to mark out my drill area yet again.
Alright, well, I'm doing an application where I'll pre-drill, glue, and then nail it all together. And I'm using just regular finishing nails, but instead of driving the nails all the way home, I'm basically using them to hold everything in position and align everything. And then once all the glue is set, I'll take a center punch and drive them the last 1/8 of an inch so they're below the surface. Here I'm cutting out the support structure for the heated bed, trying to keep it as stout as possible and be as light as possible at the same time. So I'm cutting basically just a big X pattern, nice radius around all the connection points. But yeah, just plunge cutting the skill saw to remove all the straights, and I'll take the reciprocating saw and go around the edge like I am right now. To make really nice transitions. I made a fatal design flaw. There's no way to actually put the bed in place without removing the end bracket, so I had to make a couple of little extra holes and whatnot so I could actually do that while everything's assembled like it is now. I opted to put the power supplies inside, so as I'm printing larger objects and the heated bed descends, it'll actually be blowing warm air all around the part to help keep everything a little more uniform temperature wise, because it is fairly cold out where I'm going to be using this thing. I really struggled installing these Z-axis steppers. In hindsight, I probably should have tipped the whole thing on its side. It would have made my life a lot easier getting everything aligned and not having to fight gravity in the process. So, lesson learned. Definitely going to be trying to use gravity to an advantage in the future.
I decided not to bore you guys with the disassembly of all the pieces. We got all the holes are now drilled, tapped, ready to go. I will have to cut a couple holes in the back here for the emergency power cutoff and the plug-in to make it all work. And I'm also going to have to add mounts for the actual controller, the smoothie board that I have to go in here, and the relays for the heated bed. But yeah, this is close enough where I should be able to finish it all out. Just mount a few things, drill and mount them after it's all sanded and varnished. So, but I think that's going to be it for this video. Till next time.